lower and upper bands dealing with 1 SF. SF means significant figures. So, examples. The distance from the school to the market is 0.9 kilometer to 1 SF. What is the range of values of actual measurement? Solution. For us to find the range of values of these actual measurements, we need to look at the number. We have 0.9 kilometer, and this is to 1 SF. Looking at the last number here, we have 9. And what is the place value of this 9? That is 9/10. And what does that mean? For 9/10, in which is dealing with tenths, is what? 0.1. So we now need to get our error. What will be the error first? Error will be equals to what? Plus or minus 0.1 divided by 2. So what are we having? That is plus or minus 0.05. That's what we're having. Now we need to get our lower band. That will form part of the range of value. So lower band, that's L subscript B, will be equal to what? We have 0.9, then we have minus 0.05. And what will this one give us? This is 0.85. So we have 0.85 for the lower band. So for the upper band, U subscript B equals to what? 0.9 plus 0.05. So this will be equal to what? 0.95. So the range of values can be written as 0.85, then less than or equals to what? A, which is the lower limit, the lower band, less than or equals to, here is going to be strictly less than. We can't use less than equal to. So here is going to be strictly less than 0.95. What is A? Where A is the actual value. Actual value. And we can also write this as what? 0.85 kilometer to what? To 0.95 kilometer. This describes the range of values of the actual measurement. Thank you.